my younger patients, I keep them on HCG because they want to preserve testicular size, right? If they stopped HCG, their balls would shrink, correct? Their testes would shrink. Is there any downside to using HCG?
There is no downside to taking an HCG long term.
All right.
I have extensive experience in prescribing HCG to men for the last 25 years. Men state that they read where HCG helps preserve testicular size.
Right.
While on testosterone. It does not. Your testicles will still shrink because the negative feedback inhibition effect on the hypothalamus is stronger than any stimulatory effect of the HCG on the testes, such that, in my experience, that I prescribe HCG to the patients because they request it, nobody refills it because they did not see any benefit from it. Okay. If you're on HCG just by itself, yes, you can take that indefinitely. It will help increase spermatogenesis and it will help increase your testosterone levels.
Okay.
But over a period of time, you develop tachyphylaxis and you will lose that effect. At which point in time, then you need to start testosterone.
Okay, so roughly what's your time frame to develop tachyphylaxis?
It's not necessarily a time frame as much as it is an age. The older you are, the less the HCG is efficacious. So if you're under age 40, it works quite well. From 40 to 45, not so well. From 45 to 50, you're maybe getting 25% of the effectiveness as you did from age 30 to 40. Over age 50, I've had only 1 or 2 patients that actually benefited from taking HCG because it did not result in significant increase or improvement in the testosterone levels. Okay. And then they had to switch to, everyone switches and then uses the testosterone.
So almost pointless to keep someone on HCG just for testicular preservation.
It does not.
Does not.
So if you're on testosterone and you take HCG, there's one study to show that it preserves fertility.
Right.
But in my experience, it doesn't. And in my experience, when you take testosterone and HCG, the patients will stop the HCG because they still had testicular shrinkage. It did not improve on the HCG. They chose not to take it anymore. So I've never had anyone refill it or take it long term when they're on testosterone because it just did not work.
Here, cost is, it's like I say, it's cheap. So far, they're taking it. I do measure testicular size, but I've only been doing it for a couple of years. So I've not seen a change yet, but let me monitor it. But you're right, I have noticed that older patients do not respond that well to HCG.
Sure, the testicles just wear out.
Right. In fertility patients where I've taken patient off testosterone and put on HCG to reverse fertility, there is some improvement.
Sure, and there's studies to show that taking HCG will help improve fertility and help restore sperm function and sperm levels and spermatogenesis much faster than just waiting for it to recover on its own.
Yes.
So if it normally takes 3 months to recover, you'll recover in maybe a month and a half. So it speeds up the recovery.
But you will probably still recover without HCG.
You will, yes.